We are at the Aviary, which is at 25 Industrial Avenue in Carleton Place. And what we do here is we are certified behaviorists and trainers. And we work with parrots who have natural behaviors, but those behaviors don't fit in homes. We work with the parrot to be an easier companion. And then we place them in homes and we support them for the length of time that they're in the home. So we have 5,500 square feet. It is predominantly dedicated to the birds, and we have 55 birds. We're full at 55. You can't do behavior modification with a stressed bird. They're very sensitive to proximity. So at 55, we're full. The sad part is we could have hundreds, literally hundreds. We went through, like everybody, COVID shutdowns. We also went on the heel of COVID shutdowns with an avian flu shutdown. Then we went into record high inflation rates and cost of living increases, which increased all of our budget items, and dwindling donations, and an increase in relinquishments. So we were being hit with a perfect storm. The SEBA loan, that is the straw that's breaking the camel's back, quite frankly. We needed more time to be able to recover from those and be able to get our revenue streams up to this new, more expensive normal. Because everything in our budget has gone up, in some cases 3-4 times, and our donations started to go down because people needed that money for their increases as well. We started to try to grow our revenue streams, but we need more time, and that didn't happen with the SEBA. And so this, now having to repay, we don't have obviously the $40,000 in reserves, and because it's being chewed up, and having to lose the $20,000 that could be forgiven, and then on top of it start paying. That was the straw that breaks the camel's back. It's another debt load, or it is a debt load that we just can't sustain. If the public could help by donating at even $5, every little bit helps. What we're trying to do is to be able to buy some time so that we can grow our revenue streams to be able to sustain this new normal, more expensive normal.